Think bears are just big, sleepy animals? Think again. From tree climbers to bamboo gluttons, these creatures are full of surprises. Let's explore 11 mind-blowing facts that reveal just how wild and weird bears really are. Fact 1. There are 8 bear species in the world. They live on every continent except Antarctica and Australia. That includes polar bears, grizzlies, black bears, pandas, and even the lesser-known Andean bear. Fact 2. Polar bears are technically marine mammals. They spend most of their lives on sea ice and are built for swimming, using their huge paws like paddles. Some have been recorded swimming over 60 miles without rest. Fact 3. Bears have an insane sense of smell. Grizzlies can detect food, mates, or danger from over 20 miles away, better than any dog breed. Fact 4. Pandas eat up to 80 pounds of bamboo a day. Even though they're in the carnivore family, they evolved to be nearly 100% herbivore. They even have a pseudo-thumb to help grab and hold stalks. Fact 5. Black bears are expert climbers. They can climb trees to escape predators, find food, or nap, sometimes with full-grown cubs in tow. Fact 6. Not all bears hibernate the same way. Some enter deep torpor with slow heartbeats. Others, like polar bears, remain semi-active, especially pregnant females who den to give birth. Fact 7. A bear's bite is incredibly powerful. A grizzly's bite force reaches over 1,000 psi, enough to crush a bowling ball. Fact 8. Cubs are born while the mother sleeps. In her den she gives birth during winter, and the tiny blind cubs nurse until spring without her ever waking fully. Fact 9. Bears communicate constantly. They grunt, moan, growl, huff, stomp the ground, and even perform bluff charges to warn or defend territory. Fact 10. Bears are highly intelligent. They remember locations for years, open coolers and car doors, and even use rocks to scratch or break into food. Bonus fact: bears can run up to 35 miles per hour. That's faster than Usain Bolt, and they can maintain that pace for hundreds of feet. Never try to outrun one. But here's the serious part. Many bear species are at risk. Polar bears are losing sea ice, sun bears are hunted, and habitat loss affects almost all 8 species. Their biggest threats are human expansion, climate change, and poaching. Learning is the first step toward protection. The more we know, the more we care, and caring leads to action. Want more animal facts? Check out our videos on lions and tigers in the Wildlife Wonders playlist, only on Visual Education. Which bear fact shocked you the most? Drop A in the comments and subscribe for more wild wonders every week.